Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can boot this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power key, and once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then bring a window with a message reboot to safe mode, so confirm by tapping on OK. Give it a couple seconds, maybe up to like a minute. It will finish up rebooting, and once it boots back up, it will be in safe mode. Now I'll say right now that safe mode will basically allow you to use only the pre-installed applications. Any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so you can troubleshoot your device in that mode. So if one of the apps that you have installed caused you some problems, you can get rid of it this way. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would do is hold power key and select restart. Once the device reboots, it will go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.